Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mojang banner patterns. These unique patterns are a rare find in Minecraft, adding a special touch to your creations. You'll need to know where to look and how to use a loom effectively. We'll cover the exact locations and the simple steps to apply this distinctive design to your banners. Get ready to personalize your world with this exclusive item. To find the Mojang banner pattern, your adventure takes you to the perilous end cities. These floating structures in the end dimension are the only place where this rare item spawns. You'll need to navigate through shulker-infested areas and search the chests carefully. Be prepared for combat, as these guardians protect the valuable loot within. Persistence is key to securing this unique pattern. Once you have the Mojang banner pattern, applying it is straightforward using a loom. Place your chosen banner, one die of any color, and the Mojang pattern into the loom slots. The loom will then display the finished banner with the new design. This simple process allows you to customize your banners quickly and efficiently, transforming them into unique decorative pieces for your base. With your newly crafted Mojang banner, you can proudly display this rare symbol in your Minecraft world. Whether it's in your main base, a trophy room, or marking a special location, it signifies your exploration and dedication. Remember to check the description for the link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy showcasing your unique banner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.